Just gonna get our oil lines hooked up. So 1, 2, 3. Those are the inlets. Pretty straightforward. Stick the tube on. Stick the clamp on. Not going to install the carburetors till we're out on the sled, but we'll just stick our hose clamps like so, just to be ready to go. We'll also get our wires stuck on. So from the driver position, as we marked them, we got right, middle, and left. This wire around over there. These look like 10 mils. Nope, too big. You can get it on that one at least. On your third one, your right wire, don't forget to make sure this ground, the brown ground wire goes on there over the bolt. There you go. Before you put the clutch in, if you want to make sure all your threads are happy, You can take your clutch bolt, start it by hand, and just run it in there. That way, at least you know your threads are happy and you're not stripping it the whole way down. Because once you get your clutch on there, it's going to be hard to tell what's going on. Alright, we're going to go ahead and get our clutch mounted up. I just want to point out in this video, the X here. There's also an X right down here. See if you can find my finger there. There you go. See that X? X and X. So people who are saying when you clean your clutch you need to scribe a line and mark a line with a Sharpie or whatever. No, you don't. Not this Polaris clutch at least. Because you got an X on the two different parts so you know which way your cover goes on. Anyways, just thought I would point that out. Because I'm not going to do a clutch cleaning video. There's a bunch of other ones out there. But I watched a couple of them. And they were saying to do that, so you don't actually need to. Stick it on there like that. Take your sleeve, whole side in. $16mm. We're gonna drive that in. Just want you to know the factory manual says not to use an impact wrench. So if you want to use a ratchet and a torque wrench, go for it. 40 foot-pounds, 40 to 45 foot-pounds on this. Torque it, but I'm gonna use this. Just want to make sure I'm not stripping anything. It's hard to feel with that bad boy what's going on, so put a little socket on it just to get a feel. No. Interesting sound. I brought it down all the way with to the wall, and then I'll grab the old torque wrench and just verify that I'm at 40. Is that gonna do it? There we go. 40 foot-pounds.